How much do they eat? 50 pounds of silage a day.
I'm not sure. Did he bite you?
Tongue's rough.
Oh, his tongue. Careful, Lily.
Here you go.
They're all wide-eyed. Never me. Never me.